Hello, I'm Nicole Raffensperger with Design Tech Remodeling, and today I'd like to show you a new condo remodel that we completed. First, I'm going to show you the kitchen portion where we took part of a laundry room and a kitchen and opened up a low-bearing wall to give them a large chef-style kitchen. The island was the main focal point of this space, and the homeowners desired to have a large area that could be a buffet, a sitting area, and a lot of prep space. Next, we're going to go through the dining room and into the living room where we redid the fireplace and the bookcases. Next, the master bedroom, we redid the closet areas to give them his and hers closets. And if you follow along, we are going to go into the master bathroom where we took a vanity area and the bathroom and combined them into one large area, making the shower the focal point of the space. In order to give the homeowner a more contemporary feel, you'll find the floating vanities that the homeowner desired. Next, we're going to take you upstairs and into the main bathroom where we just did a refresh of the space but gave it a more contemporary feel with the penny round bathroom surround. That just gives it a little bit of pizzazz and, a unique design element. If I can help you in your next kitchen, bathroom remodeling project, please give us a call.